Good afternoon everyone. In today's quick short video, I'll show you how to put my 2020 Honda GoldWing Tour DCT on the center stand. So let's get started. So putting it on the center stand it's not that hard. It's the fear that most people have of how to put it on. To make sure to put it on the center stand, make sure your handlebar is straight, your side stand is down, and one thing that I would like to remind, do not lift while putting on the center stand. You don't need to lift. You need to put your weight on your right leg and push it downwards. When you apply pressure and pull this upward, you're just wasting your energy. Do not do that. You will just keep struggling and it will not work. So what we'll do is, let's lift the bike. Handlebar is straight. Now the bike is not on the center stand yet, but you can see that once it's on, I've got it in the center, everything is fine. I don't need to hold it. It's perfectly fine. The bike's already on. All I need to do is apply pressure and the bike gets on the center stand. That's all you need to do. So these are quick and simple steps for you to put the GoldWing on a center stand. Make sure your handlebar is straight, side stand is down, and stand on the center stand and apply your weight to your right leg, pushing it downwards. Do not lift anything. Do not try to lift the bike up or anything up. You're just wasting your energy. You'll be struggling and not doing any good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.